parts of the hippocampus on MRI? The most inferior part of the hippocampus is not the tail. The most inferior part of the hippocampus is the head and amygdaloid part of the hippocampus. So the head and the amygdaloid part are the most inferior parts of the hippocampus seen on the most inferior cuts. So this is the temporal horn of the lateral ventricle. If you draw a line between the temporal horns of the lateral ventricles, this part will be amygdaloid, and this part will be head of the hippocampus. After the head and the amygdaloid parts will come the body of the hippocampus. The body of the hippocampus is seen at the level of the optic tract. This structure is the optic tract, and this structure is the mammillary bodies. The mammillary bodies and the optic tracts. So, at the level of the mammillary bodies and the optic tracts, you will see the body of the hippocampus running laterally or running on the lateral aspect of the midbrain. So, let's see that here. Here, at the level of the mammillary bodies and the optic tracts, you will see the body of the hippocampus, running on the lateral aspect of the midbrain. Next part of the hippocampus is the tail. The tail of the hippocampus is the most superior part of the hippocampus. Okay, so the tail of the hippocampus will be seen between the thalamus and the occipital horn of the lateral ventricle. So it will be seen anterior to the occipital horn of the lateral ventricle and between it and the thalamus. Okay, so let's see the tail of the hippocampus. The tail of the hippocampus is seen between the thalamus and the occipital horn of the lateral ventricle. Again, the tail of the hippocampus is seen between the thalamus and the occipital horn of the lateral ventricle. So, anterior to the occipital horn of the lateral ventricle, the structure seen here is the tail of the hippocampus, and that's it.